Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and update. Then let's tap on reset options, and at the very top of the list we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the information what our device will actually reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, all of the network preferences. So let's tap on reset settings if you are ready, and here we've got also the information that you cannot undo this action, so be aware. Let's tap on reset settings again, and as you can see we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.